Even though this was a small project where we did some, redesign and refreshing their existing kitchen, keeping some existing elements, just because the clients love them. So I think this was a project where we took the existing architectural elements of this Tudor home, and we did a little bit of a twist just to make it more functional, to make it a little bit more up to date, and make sure that we found that balance between old and new, existing and new. Okay, I think that the kids' bathroom turned out amazing. Something that was really important for our clients was to keep the existing and original floor tile from the when the house was built. So we designed this bathroom around that. Okay. Also, when all these design elements came to life, and when we talked with clients what was important to them, even though they are already empty nesters, they wanted to make sure that this kids' bathroom will maybe serve a purpose for when grandchildren come along, or if they sell their home in the future, then it can accommodate for a young family and so on. This is a really good example when we work as a team and with the client to achieve this balance, right? Design all elements with new elements, as well as budget and functionality.